Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam's social media pull-apart cupcakes, starting with white buttercream and blue food colour. Place your cupcakes into a square shape, then pipe on the blue buttercream. Smooth it out. Then use a knife or a skewer to mark out an F in the middle. Pipe around the edge of the letter with white buttercream using a thin nozzle. And then fill it in. And finally, smooth it out using a small tool. And there you have it, pull-apart Facebook cupcakes. Amazing! Let's go for YouTube next. Same thing, white buttercream icing, but this time red food colour. Place your cupcakes like so. Then pipe on your red buttercream. Smooth it out so you have a nice surface to work with. Mark out your play button in the middle. Pipe on the white buttercream around the edge and fill it in. And finally, smooth it out. Amazing! There you have social media pull-apart cupcakes. Enjoy!